idea that I don't know is actually going to work, but who knows? Because I haven't cut anything up yet, anything's gonna go. So let's see what I create today. Min here from Honest Stampage. I am back with another creation for the Crafters Castle Challenge. We are still doing our monthly challenges, and they are always anything goes. This month, our sponsor is TaylorMade Cards for You, and our theme is Valentine's Day, and I'm super excited because I love Valentine's Day and I love creating Valentines. So we got to choose any set that we wanted that was Valentine's theme, and I oh my gosh, I chose the Victorian Love Note set. So I wanted to quickly show you what all that entails. It's got these lovely little gorgeous vintage Valentine covers. I am super excited about this. All right, I think I'm gonna start by cutting out one of these cute little cards and seeing how it folds together, because I think that this set would be such a great idea to grab if you're needing something super quick and easy, because you can literally just cut. All right, so I have this darling foldable Valentine in front of me, and literally all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold it in half. Hot dog way, as my kindergarten and first grade teacher used to say, or landscape, or horizontal. So there's my first fold, and then I'm going to fold it over, and I'm going to take inside and to have this folded into fourths. This is a little bit trickier with cardstock, but I feel like this cardstock is going to give it a nice finish versus just regular printer paper. And I didn't cut it exactly straight, which is fine. I'm gonna have to clean up some of these edges, so let's go ahead and do that. And there we have our darling little Valentine. I think this is so cute. I absolutely love it. I love that there's nothing on the inside here, so you could write an extra long note. And I think I'm just going to kind of jazz this up a tiny bit with it. All right, friends, so there is my darling little Valentine that I created. I put a little bit of this fun lace down here so that they have something to know to pull it open with. I added a small gingham bow and just a little red glittery heart, and I think that's super cute, and it is perfect for like a little lunchbox note or just a little friendship note to go with a small gift. So what I'm thinking is, I'm thinking about doing a little square card or something like that. But these are just so pretty. I think I want to use this color red for the base of my card, and I am going to make it a square to kind of match this. So let's grab. So these are 2 3/4 inches square. So I'm going to make this actually. Of that, and now I'm looking over and I see that I have these beautiful heart doilies. That might work a little bit better, because to me, for some reason, Valentine's Day and doilies are synonymous. Like, a Valentine should have a doily on it somewhere, maybe, because that's just the way that I grew up, and that's the way that I think. Oh, I like that one best. Let's use that one. My mom used to make us homemade Valentines where she would cut out construction paper and use doilies, or she would put lace all the way around that. And so I'm kind of going for that same type of feel here with this doily right here in the middle. Doily right here in the middle. And you know what I think I'm also going to do? I think I am going to that is gonna layer on there perfectly. I'm loving how this is coming out, so I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this. I'm loving that, and I want to see how this looks. Oh yeah, because then you can just see a little bit of it peeking out, kind of like you can see a little bit of this peeking out. And so I'm going to go ahead and adhere this doily on. I think what I'm going to do... Ooh, let's see how that goes. Okay. Okay. This one you can read really well. It says Loving Wishes. I think I'm going to choose this one. All right, guys, so I have my layer thing going on here. Here we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut one of these images out and pop it in the middle. Okay. All right, friends, so there is my layered vintage Valentine. I absolutely love this. If you wanted to keep going, you could always add glitter and things like that, but honestly, I think this looks great the way it is, and even though it's got some dimension to it, I do think that this would mail relatively easily, so I'm super, super happy with it. Let's take a look at both of our cute creations side by side. I'm loving the vintage feel of both of these.
Prize of your own that
Thank
I believe
you guys
you get to
so
choose
much
this month, which
for
is
stopping
fantastic.
by today to take a
So,
peek at my creations.
go ahead and do that.
Don't forget to go and hop along to see all of the other beautiful creations for Crafters Castle this month using products from TaylorMade Card. Until next time, friends, thanks so much again for stopping by, my friends.